Aloha everyone! This video will walk you through the basic setup for a discussion, which includes the creation of a forum and a topic. The hierarchy of discussions in Lamakū is as follows. Forums is the top level of the discussion hierarchy and is used to organize topics into a broader group. There can be multiple topics that live in a forum. Topics is the second level of the discussion hierarchy and contains a discussion prompt and instructions for a discussion assignment. Topics are the only component of the discussion hierarchy that can be gradebook items. Threads are the third level of the discussion hierarchy and they contain responses to discussion topics. If someone replies to a thread, those replies are contained in a thread. In this example, I want students to respond to a class introduction topic. To access the Discussions tool, I'm going to select the Discussions option from the lower level navigation bar on my course homepage. On the Discussions page, select New, and then New Forum from the drop-down menu. I am currently in the Properties tab of editing a new forum. First, create a title and description for your forum. If you are choosing to have only one topic in the forum, you can select the Create a New Topic in this forum with the same title option. Then, configure options for anonymous posts, moderation, visibility of threads, and visibility of topic description. In this example, I want students to post before viewing other students' responses, so I'm going to check off the option, Users must start a thread before they can read and reply to other threads in each topic. You may select the Restrictions tab to further configure a forum's availability settings, release conditions, and group restrictions. When you are done, select Save and Close. You will see that a new forum has appeared on the Discussions page. Next to the forum title, select the downward caret and then select Add Topic. First, fill out the topic title, points, and description. Note that if you choose to enter in points for a discussion topic, a gradebook item will be created unless you link the discussion topic to an existing gradebook item. You can also leave the points field blank if the discussion topic is ungraded. In that case, it will not be sent to the gradebook. Assigning learning outcomes is optional. You must have your learning outcomes set up before creating a discussion topic in order to see this outcomes option. Select the outcomes text underneath the discussion topic title to open up a learning outcomes pop-up window. Check off the outcomes that apply to that discussion topic and select Save when you are finished. You will see a list of outcomes. Next, configure availability dates and conditions. I can configure start and end dates for the discussion topic to control when students can access it and what the last day is for accepting posts. You can select the blue text underneath the start and end dates to configure those settings. With the settings I have now, the discussion topic will be visible to students before the start date and after the end date, and they can click or open it, but they cannot post a thread or comment on another student's thread before the start date and after the end date. In this section, you can also configure release conditions and special access settings. Next, configure posts and completion settings. In this example, I am selecting Learners must start a thread before they can view or reply to others' threads, since I want students to post first before viewing anything else. Next, configure evaluation and feedback settings. It is optional to add a rubric, and I am adding one since I have one prepared. There are additional settings for evaluating posts, like allowing students to rate other students' posts through a 5-star rating scale or voting system. There is also an option to allow evaluation of individual posts, and this option is handy if you want students to post multiple times to the same topic, such as requesting one individual post and one reply to a classmate's thread, and then evaluating each post individually. When you are finished configuring settings, select Save and Close. Your discussion topic will appear under the forum. Mahalo for watching.